We done it again. IOTA has now broken our key level, which was the $1.33. As you can see, price is now breaking right through. Now, before I get into the video, this is super exciting, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my recent posts. And remember, guys, this is not financial advice, so always make sure you do your own research. Now, guys, let's look at IOTA. As I said to you guys last week, if you watch my recent videos, I said all IOTA needs to do is break the $1.33 area, and we're going to see a move almost to the moon. Like our next target level is $2.30, but it looks like we could potentially hit this before the end of the month. So we have to start getting prepared for our target freeze. So that's what I'm going to do now in this video to get you all prepared for that move. But this is absolutely exciting. We've been waiting for this since 2018, and we're now finally getting that move that we all wanted to see. So let's go into this from a day trade perspective. So if I'm day trading this, what am I looking for? I'm firstly going on the 1 day time frame. I'm zooming out. Again, the reason why we start off with the weekly time frame is so we can actually draw in these key support and resistance lines. As you can see, without going on the weekly, it's hard to map out where price could potentially go from a technical perspective. So that's why we do that for you watching. Now, as you can see, morning star formation. Like I said to you guys, this is a clear buying indication, especially if you have experience in a foreign exchange or stock market. You will understand what this pattern means from a technical perspective. So now that we're breaking out, and the funny thing is, this is just a morning star that's just started, so it means that we're going to see a Marubozu candle potentially, which is a strong bullish candle. In crypto terms, we're going to the moon, right? So once we hit this $2.30 level, what can we look out for? To be honest with you, I don't think that we're going to see a major pullback at this area just because of the current momentum in the space at the moment. I'd say once we get into the $2.30 area, we can start looking at all-time high targets. Like I said, the $5.70 area, it's just retesting our all-time highs. I feel like we still needs the value of this project still hasn't been priced into the market yet, and that's what's so exciting about IOTA. We're still waiting for price. We're still waiting for the market to really value this project, and we're going to see the true price of this. So where do I think we're going before in the next by summer? I think we're definitely going to be around the $7 to $8 mark, if not $10. I do want to say $10, but I just want to keep it very conservative for you guys on this on my platform, again, because everything's dependent on the overall industry, right? If more money is poured in to the crypto space, then obviously we can hit our targets a lot sooner than anticipated. However, just going along the pace that we're currently at, I could say maybe an all-time high target in March. Then we can start to see the maybe $7 to $10 range. I want to say $10 by summer. And again, that into percentage perspectives is over 600%. And now don't let that percentage get to your head, guys. Me personally, I'm in this for the long term, so I'm not too concerned about the day-to-day price action. I just really want to see what this project can do by the end of this decade. It's obviously rebounding from that 2018 sell-off, which is important, right? The coins that do not perform during this period and bounce up whilst we're in a bull market are likely coins that we'll never see again. For example, the example I always like to give, Dragon Chain, went to $5 high, now at 15 cents, hasn't recovered since the 2018 cryptocurrency crash. IOTA has proven that it has some life in it. Investors are starting to pull their money back into it. Confidence is now getting, is definitely translating through the graph, which is what we can see here. And again, just going back to our daily time frame, our daily price action, this is an indication of a sharp bullish trend. But well done, guys. We finally done it. And this is less than 2 weeks. So imagine what the update is going to be in the next 2 weeks. Speak to you all soon. See you today.